If you've opened Blender, closed it, and then seen the message error not freed memory blocks in the system console, don't panic. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This is one of those Blender messages that looks serious, but in many cases it is harmless. Still, if it keeps showing up while you're working, it usually points to a buggy add-on or script that is not releasing memory properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's understand the error. When Blender shows not freed memory blocks, it means something in the background asked your computer for RAM, but never properly returned it when it was finished. That is often called a memory leak. In simple terms, Blender expected the add-on or script to clean up after itself, but it didn't. If you only see this message when you close Blender, it is often not a major problem. Windows will usually reclaim the memory once Blender fully shuts down, so in that case, you may not need to do anything at all. But if this error appears during your workflow, or if Blender starts acting unstable, slow, or weird, then it's worth checking your add-ons. The first thing you should do is open Blender and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then click Add-ons. This is where all of your installed add-ons are listed. Now take a close look at any third-party add-ons you've recently installed. If you added a new add-on shortly before the error started appearing, that is the first one you should suspect. Disable that add-on by unchecking the box next to it. If you installed more than one new add-on, disable them one by one so you can narrow down the cause. After disabling the add-on, close Blender completely and then restart it. This step is important because some memory issues only stop after a fresh restart. Once Blender opens again, try repeating the action that caused the error before. If the message no longer appears, then you've likely found the problem add-on. If it still shows up, go back and disable any other recent add-ons you added. Another useful tip is to keep your add-ons updated. Sometimes an add-on works fine in one Blender version, but causes memory issues in another. So if you rely on a specific add-on, check whether there is an updated version from the developer. You can also test Blender in a clean setup by temporarily disabling all third-party add-ons and then re-enabling them one at a time. That is the fastest way to isolate a memory leak. And just to be clear, this error is not always a sign that Blender itself is broken. In most cases, it is caused by an external add-on or script, not the core program. So if you see the message once when closing Blender and everything else is working normally, you can usually ignore it. But if it keeps happening, especially during active work, follow the steps we covered. Open Preferences, go to Add-ons, disable recent third-party add-ons, and restart Blender. That simple process fixes a lot of these issues. If this tutorial helped you understand the error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Blender fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.